Since this thing is on, alright, hold on guys. So today I'm going to be doing balisong tricks and blading sorcery nomad. Like this. I'm going to go on a rampage basically. So yeah. It's going to be uploaded to my main channel. I know I normally like... Also, yes, I do have a machine gun that is only for fight situations. But I might not use it at all. So let's just chuck that out of here. And also, yes, I probably am going to be using the balisong with a throwing knife like this. And you guys probably won't like it, but... Double kill. It's going to be going on a rampage with it. So yeah. Let's get to it. By the way, my Oculus is almost dead, guys. So, it's gonna be really quick. Not to offend any of my girl watchers that watch my channel, but I'm not trying to offend y'all, but these women in here are very weak. Not really trying to offend y'all, but... Of course somebody hit a throw thing at me. Actually not, I'm gonna probably go on a rampage with brass knuckles, yeah. Brass knuckles. Better. I'm probably gonna go back to the balisong. I don't even know, but she somehow got cut even when it was close. Who wants to go, huh? Also, I will be making Shadowverse RPG. I'm gonna have y'all add me, and like for all my fans who wanna add me, I only have like 9 more slots left. So just comment down below on the video like what your username is, and then I'll let y'all join my private server in Shadowverse RPG, and we can all play. But yeah, so right now this might be it a little bit because my auntie's about to die, but it's fine. By the way, yeah, I forgot to say blood warning. If you don't like blood, then don't watch this video. But yeah, alright. So right now, that'll probably be all for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time. And goodbye.